Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series by making a traditional American pumpkin bread. Let's get started.
Kind of a lot of ingredients. We need 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, 2 teaspoons pumpkin spice. If you want to make your own, see the link in the card. 1 teaspoon cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 1.5 cups or 375 grams of pumpkin puree, fresh or canned, half a cup or 120 milliliters of oil, 2/3 cup or 135 grams of brown sugar, half a cup or 100 grams of sugar, 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of milk, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract or 3 tablespoons vanilla sugar. Combine all your dry ingredients in a bowl. Then, in a large mixing bowl, add pumpkin and oil and mix together. Then add milk and eggs and combine. Then mix in dry ingredients. Pour batter into a greased bread form. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. This is a lovely quick bread. It's soft and cake-like with a great spicy flavor. My oldest daughter found her new favorite recipe. It also has a great fall feeling. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.